In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams the easiest way. Whether you want a bit more privacy in your interactions or prefer not to let others know when you've read their messages, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. We'll break down the steps in a simple and easy to follow manner so you can feel comfortable every step of the way. First, sign into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't done so yet, open the Teams application on your device and enter your credentials. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Teams interface, which is where the journey to disabling read receipts begins. Next, look to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials. Just beside it, there are 3 vertical dots, commonly called the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu containing several features. From this menu, select Settings. This opens a new window or panel with multiple categories you can choose from. In the Settings panel, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Privacy tab. This section hosts privacy-related settings, giving you the flexibility to control what information you share and how you interact with others in Teams. Once inside the Privacy section, find and click on Read Receipts. Here, you can see the current option that allows other participants in your chats to know when you've read their messages. To turn this feature off, simply click the toggle button next to Read Receipts. You'll notice it changes, indicating that read receipts are now disabled. With this simple adjustment, messages you read will no longer notify the sender, giving you more privacy and control over your messaging habits. Remember, this change affects only the Teams application on your device. It won't change how your messages appear to others unless they have their own read receipt settings adjusted. And that's it. Turning off read receipts in Microsoft Teams is that simple. If you want to reverse this choice at any point, just follow these steps again and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Take some time to explore other settings and make your Teams experience exactly how you want it. Happy teaming!